It's 6:20 in the morning and I'm just coming from Osu. But I get problem. Some of these lounges for Osu. So first of all, I will go this thing lounge. I don't want to mention the name of the lounge. I will go lounge where you go charge, get fee, and expect me to buy a table for 4,000 Ghana cedis. What channel go fair water? Interview more you challenge you for yogi. Only talk me. I for money than jet. If I'm buying a table for 4,000 Ghana cedis, I am not paying any gate fee. If I'm buying a table for 4,000 Ghana cedis, I am not paying for any gate fee. And if I'm paying gate fee, I'm not. But don't worry. If you pay gate fee in the chair, you say it's 2 million. 2 million for the gate fee. You need to buy why 12 Joe why any why 9. I pay gate fee. You say I should don't go and buy a table for 1,000. But you check me not go pay you on. What I can't do? You chill up rough. I do understand it's 30 December. No, let me know. 30 December. You are trying to cash out as much as possible. No, shishi. But this got absent. Try to do something. Sell us premium drink or something. She made or charge gate fee and go fading. I don't in business got upskill. Don't try to extort me. This is fucking extortion. And I saw another one. Table for 70,000 Ghana cedis. If I buy table for 70,000, but I got your show it. DJ laptop like a cable seven pack fee. Yeah, we Medina. Me get my table 70,000. Yeah, boys. About two, and we'll come and then we'll buy the table. But I didn't fear any bull. I'm not going to buy any table. Need up at the child be. Before you go left there with spend money. Let me forget about what I did. Let me forget about what I woman. Business and I got feel like what bag. And you got my far. What check the feedback? And the DJ for where we go. The DJ was good. Don't mention. You boys saw me. They check the bear. But the next time I can't get buy for the money. So I'm check the feedback. When you know, I got share. Don't tell me. Blade. Cow with it. For use your mind.